In this video, I'll show how I used a 3D printed spacer to install this sliding patio door. I'm already on the third sliding patio door that has been installed in the home, and you can see from this design, the way they adjust it is with these screws, and over time it just slides. It's not a good design, and they've been using these plastic wheels. The new sliding patio door is actually using some steel wheels, which are more durable, but it still has the same design issue where it tends to fall on its own weight even after tightening these. I've got this new door, and I'm going to be adjusting those all the way to the top, especially on this left side right here, but you can't adjust it too much if it's too high at the bottom right here. As you can see, I've already inserted my spacer on the right hand side, and what I had to do was I had to pull on this because these wheels have kind of like a spring mechanism, and it tends to fall, the door tends to fall on its own weight. So I had to push this open and insert this. With this design, I'm going to try to slide it in on the other side now to demonstrate how it fits into the sliding door. I have to be careful when I install this spacer because you want this wheel to be on this rail so that it can slide easily. Otherwise, your install won't be done properly. This wheel came off, so I'm just going to shift this, but you have to be careful because you don't want the sliding door to come out on the top side with this gap right here. I'm gonna go ahead and move this sliding wheel onto the door, ensure that it's sliding properly. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the top height on the sliding door so that sits properly inside this top rail. Gonna go ahead and tighten the right side now. So what I did here is I just opened this up and I inserted the spacer into the side, and now I'm going to go ahead and tighten this bottom side. Now that I've got these spacers on both sides of the sliding patio door, I can easily slide it open and closed, and now I don't have to worry about this door falling on its own weight and these loosening up over time. And you can see I'm just gonna make some final adjustments to its top and push them to the highest height that they can go without causing a lot of friction and preventing my door from opening.